Hello, welcome to I think part 3 of shotguns only. In this video I have changed it up and I have equipped this shotgun with this skin on it. This was very expensive. Hopefully it's worth it. My bank account does not love me right now because I also bought like everything I could. But let's just should I buy any of these? I probably will at some point. But let's get on with this video. So we were on Guardian, yeah. Now let's go. Alright. Oh, I didn't even realize you could put that camo on there. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Alright.
Firefight ahead of us. Might be civs. Permission to engage.
Permission granted, Lieutenant. Spread out and watch for the civilians.
Weapons free.
Stand your ground, fellas. Think of your families. What the hell? I thought we had no reinforcements. Take cover!
I want to enter the building. Oh, I hear a box weapon. I'm pretty sure one of the rules that I set in place was I could use off weapons. Of all the things to get out of it, why is this? Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna use that. Oh, there's a civilian. Okay, this last guy is probably in the building. Oh, there he is.
Roof antenna ready to get more help. Enable the power behind the house.
So, yeah. Actually, I'm sure with most levels they give you those, but if you do run out of ammo, you can just grab it like that. Just like spawn an infinite number of ammo boxes. Let's just boom, flip that. Clear the backyard. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it's backyard. Oh yeah. Okay, so is there like anyone in this house? No.
Hold your fire.
Oh, we gotta go talk to him. Hello.
You're OSA. That's a relief. We had to delay them while our families get away. The Taloki are not around. If they find you,
Salt, multiple hostiles approaching your location.
Defensive positions near the house. I've got visual.
please, not again.
Protect the civilians. Take your cover.
Oh. Bueno. Okay.
Clear. For now.
What were we thinking? We'd be dead if not for you. Thank you.
No need. The evac team will arrive soon. You better get going ASAP.
Come on, fellas. We're leaving this hellhole.
Alright. Well, I'm pretty sure this is mission end. Yep. Alright. Will I have enough time for more of this video? Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna do the next one. Alright, let's do this. That's a cool guy. Cool. Whoa.
Dahlia, did you hear that?
Saw it on the screen. A huge explosion, a few clicks north of your position.
Tell me something I don't know. My ears are still ringing.
The general is on the line. Patching him through.
Purification district. Drop a key in those facilities. Rendezvous with Lambda Squad and march to the purification district ASAP. We'll have to go to a small suburb, but make it clear. We cannot let the Tlomoki inflict any further damage. You can count on me, sir. Off your mic, soldiers. Look alive.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. I forget sometimes that you are able to just climb random surfaces. You don't have to climb ladders and stuff only. Also, there's still smoke from the explosion. Oh no. Okay.
It's a onslaught. Requesting immediate artillery support on our position. Please, on our position.
Artillery strike. Get to cover. Incoming. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, this isn't very realistic artillery, I don't think.
Alright, big guy. Ready to continue?
Yep, back up, soldiers. On the double. The suburbs are just a few clicks from here.
Wait. No, you're not. Okay. Cool. Oh, I don't know. I'll show you guys why I don't ever play multiplayer. It's a little laggy for me. If I do go over, I don't know, PvP. There we go. Alright. This is gonna be fun. Alright. Let's see.
They want to take out water?
Watch. This is what happens when I attempt to throw a grenade. Oh. That worked a lot better. What is this, gun game? I'm the only real player in here. Huh. Okay. That was a real player. No, I don't think it was. No, there is another real player in here. literally a bot body. It is actually just bots. Ow. Got killed by a bot bullet. Oh, it's random loadouts. That's why I got such a horrible thing. Oh, Barrett? Oh my gosh, bro. Ow. Bot bullet. I hate bot bullet. This thing without 3 lasers, yo. Oh. Dang it. That thing without the belt is just a crime. It's a crime to have that thing without the belt. Dang it. Ooh, bot 0. Huh. Never heard of that bot. Having, like, the weapons in this game and no drum, or, like, no, not using the extended magazine, I just don't really agree with. Uh-oh. Bro. Oh, alright. I'll try this one here. I want to kill an actual player. What's this thing? Oh. Bot 0 again. Seriously? Alright. I'm not using that. Better. Okay, that's good. Give me that gun. Yeah, just get up there. Okay, I'm guessing bots are made to not shoot each other. Ooh, Viper. Alright, well, I think that's gonna end the video here. Peace.